Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, October 24th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So if you watched last night's video, I said don't be so quick to sign the Bulls debt certificate. And right now this morning, they're looking to take back the trend day if we open at 9:30 at these levels. Remember, ES had only one small set. NQ, though, did have 3 sets of singles. Looking to take them all back. Now, if the Bears don't defend that, they certainly better attempt to defend yesterday's high. Otherwise, after all those days of balance and coming out of it to the downside, they can come right smack back into balance if they take out yesterday's high. Now, they still would have accomplished something because the weekly went from up to balance, but at least in the short term, that's all they did. So if anything is going to be defended this morning, it'll be 74.75 in ES and 463 in NQ. Okay? Then we'll see if they're going to trade in the upper distribution, or do they fail up here and come back into the lower distribution. Overnight right now is 100% long. There's still 70 minutes to go prior to the opening. So we'll have to see. Remember, let me just see something here. Where was NQ's settlement? All right, I'll have to look later. Anyway, Tesla's up this morning early after their earnings. IBM is down. So Tesla definitely a big part of driving the NQ at the moment. Again, game plan. Now we have 70 minutes to go, so we don't know where the overnight high is going to be. However, if the overnight high is below yesterday's high, it's a good risk reward short, and you could use yesterday's high as your out. If, however, the overnights go above yesterday's high, then you can use yesterday's high, if you get close to it, when the market opens, as a short and out above that. Because like I said, I think they'll defend that more than the overnight high. So 2 things to keep in mind. If they do get the overnight highs, then any pullback against the lower end of the upper distribution you could use as a long. Look, we had a trend day down yesterday. Look at this right now. We have a trend day up in the overnight at the same exact spot in ES. Look at that. You also have some small singles down here. So if we get the overnight high, that's a good risk reward long and out inside of value. Remember I said yesterday, we were talking about this late in the trading room. Value yesterday at late in the day didn't matter. We knew it was going to get lower, which it finally did. But I said value high will be very important for tomorrow. And it is. Because value high is the upper end of the lower distribution. So as a bull, you want to stay out of that. Okay? So, again, early play. Same with NQ. If you take out the overnight high and then pull back, again, you could use value high as a long out below that. So early line in the sand will certainly be yesterday's highs. Righty also trying to come. Righty did not hold a trend day yesterday, but they are down on a daily, so they want to take out yesterday's high also to come back into balance. And then on the chart, so here we are after being in balance for 7 days, and ES came out of it to the downside. And now the Bulls are looking to try to put it back to balance. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.